Now, when I talk in English, it will translate to Spanish so that you can read it. Again, you are going to turn on the captions here. Then you are going to two-finger tap on a Chromebook or right-click on a different computer. And normally this will say translate to English when you first do this. Once you've translated it though, or selected that, now any changes have to happen here in the little Google Translate icon up here at the address bar for the web browser. So you click there. That's showing you the default that we've changed it to. So as long as it says Spanish, okay. You'll also notice everything is in Spanish over here now, including any changes you might need to make, okay? So hope you can do this in any Google Meet that you have with your teachers. You might still need to help them, or let me rephrase. You can ask them to turn on the captions on their Meet, and then you can ask your question in Spanish, and as long as the teacher has the captions on in English for themselves, they'll be able to see what you're asking them in English. I really hope this helps you, Leslie. And again, thank you for your patience and for your endurance. You're doing great. I'm really impressed with how much you want to succeed at this. And I don't know why it stopped translating. Sorry. All right. I hope this helps.